Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this phone number cannot be used by iMessage and FaceTime. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you are having this type issue that you're seeing the pop-up message, your phone number cannot be used with the iMessage or FaceTime. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So there's a simple way. You have to remove or sign out with your current phone number and then re-sign it with your same phone number, and you can add one else. So I'm going to open the settings here, then go for general here, go for software update, and very first try to update your software, then go back and go for apps, go for iMessage or FaceTime. I'm going to open my messages here, and here you'll get the option of send and receive. Tap on your ID, your phone number or your Gmail ID, and here select your phone number or Gmail ID and then select sign out. Once you have signed out, you have to sign in again using your same or any else Gmail ID or email ID or your phone number which you have. I'm going to re-add my Gmail or email ID here. And once you have done, your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the same issue again. It will completely reset the system of your iMessage and your FaceTime, and you'll not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.